This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajala ubak senyau bahalang dhar ubadai ru Menteri ubadai kemi ya ketana transport ula pentem ban nakal yang jauh ula daban Bhtah ya ki Ophisar ban kemi benya halor ke jingdon jongki brio ki bapenya ya ki Shaka Aiwai skuti hakal leng Kajala. Haba pentep ya kini syakilat pathai kubor ha kanok pai singi jong kandai tere ujel liu arja arpusan ubak senyau bahalang ula ong bola Bhtah ya ki Ophisar bakin sim kia ya kini kakam ban lap ya ki jingsi Shah ha kaban nakal yang jong kiru kila Sdang ya kakam.
I told my officer to look into this matter seriously, to make sure any commercial, anything everything should be legal. So they are on the job.
So it's true, sir, that the agency, that the two couples have been renting, it's illegal?
No, that my officers on the job, whether illegal or legal, they are on the have a look on this.
But can anyone rent a scooty anytime?
No, as per rule, no.
Habatin, pej bahagi ki shop, ka shop plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam duna ki eki batte ye kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ye ka shop plus F haka jingsom. Ye ki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka ayen la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jing ki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed ye ki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka shop plus F menta kasni
Lawan Rak Shapi the office jong Commissionariat of Food Safety Shillong Meghalaya.